Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the audio description function in the Headspace application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the person button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the left. And then if you scroll down, look for the accessibility button and just click on that. And as you can see, here's the audio description function, which is an audio narrated descriptions of a video's key visual elements. So if you want to turn this on, just click on the white circle next to it. And once it turns green, this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.